How to make a gradient background in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Start by selecting the gradient tool from the toolbar. Next, head up to the settings in the top. In this example, we're going to create a classic gradient. Next, choose the style of gradient that you want to choose. There's a bunch of different options that you can choose from. In this example, we're going to go for linear. Then click onto the customization, and this will open the gradient editor. You can cycle through a bunch of different presets for background gradients here. For this example, we're going to go into green. I'm going to choose a nice green gradient background. Let's go for that one. This slider below allows us to change the weight of each colour in the gradient, and it also allows us to change the actual colour as well. So if you want to change the tone ever so slightly, you can go ahead and do that. Once you're happy, choose OK, and then choose OK again. Then you could start drawing out your gradient background. You can do this in any direction that you want, and if you don't quite like how it looks, just undo and repaint again. At this point, you can play around with the style of your gradient by selecting the settings at the top and painting on again like we just did before. And that's all there is to it.